refrigerator is electric and propane, kind of like your water heater. So it operates with the touch of a button here. Right now it is on, and it's in the auto mode, and it's working on propane. So you have three choices. You have propane, A for auto, which is electric or propane, and then just electric. Most people keep them on A for auto. Turn this off. The temperature here, that's the lowest setting, and that's the highest setting. You have, I think, 5, yeah. That does the freezer and the lower part. So when you're traveling, it's best to probably just put everything in here the day before you go, if you can, and turn it on and turn it up. Let it get cold, and in the morning you take off, just turn it off and travel, and it'll stay frozen and cold for about 6 hours that way. Otherwise, if it's on while you're traveling, it's best to pull over and turn it off before you pull into a gas station, because of the flame that's back there, right? Okay.